What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you the deployable lightsaber that Jeremy just made a week ago. So all you need is only one origami paper. I want to use this because it looks super cool. And you need to start by folding the paper in half. Oh, not really in half. You need to fold a paper that you can really figure out how to fold this with no guidelines. So you need that. You know, fold it like this, like that. So after you fold it like that, you need to fold in half on the other side, flip it over and fold it in half. And crease. Like that. So now we're gonna crease. Don't crease it too sharp because it's gonna rip. So after that, open and unfold. You need to fold this edge to this crease you made. Or if you don't want it to be dark, then you can fold it on the dark side. You want that, then I'll give you that. Which is the right thing to do. I forgot. So fold it right there and then fold it right here. It's much more easier on the white side. So you see you have a little crease right there. You need to fold this to the crease and repeat on the other side. And then you need to fold it again on the crease. Should be the same size. Just fold it again to the line. It's not a crease, it's just a line, so yeah. Need to really kind of, crease it. And if you have something that looks like this, you can fold it. You can fold it like this on the other side. So if you have something that looks like this, you can kind of use it like this. Yeah, mine's not really that good, but yeah, you made your deployable lightsaber. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified. Peace out.